checking out Shanghai. Oh, oh, Shanghai street. Walking down Macau streets, checking out Macau, and we got Shanghai street.
You can't see it, but it says Sua de Shanghai up there. So it's just, so this is actually part of it. I'll try to explain this area. It's a little bit, it's kind of like a labyrinth of different streets that are not linear, and they'll be called Shanghai. But there'll be other ones like this will be Canton Street. So it's kind of a big mix of different stuff. It'll make more sense in a little bit. But we're going to be walking around in Shanghai Street, kind of show you what it looks like. And as an aside, they're setting up the Grand Prix stuff, so there's stuff set up like that. And then you can see over there is Wynn Casino. So we're going to show you what that all looks like in a moment. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Go to Shanghai. Okay, we got another slice of Macau for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. Without further ado, let's just get right into it as if you're there yourself. Okay, so this is going to be one of our streets here, and then we're going to meander in a little bit. Before we go down, just want to show you real quick. They have this set up. There's a Wynn Casino right in this area. There's Star World Casino, and they have the Grand Prix all set up. So I just want to show you that before we get more into Shanghai Street. But right there, there's the bleachers, and then you see all this guardrail. So they're all setting up for the Grand Prix. It goes all the way down, straight down the street. Nice little Cooper car there. But our particular street is Shanghai, and we're going to meander around in it a little bit, try to kind of show you what it looks like and how it meanders around. So these are a lot of these kind of interesting shops on Shanghai Street. You'll see this kind of throughout. There's like pharmacies, gold shops, restaurants, all kinds of interesting stuff. All the way down is Landmark, the casino and the hotel. I am going to try to go to the left Let me just kind of see where we're at here. So this street right here, I think is Beijing. So that's all part of Beijing Street. I can see it right there, Huade, Beijing. But you're gonna see Beijing in other places too. So I'll show you how that works in a moment as well. Got a gas station to the right. You got Star World right there. Kind of a funky looking building. These are residential apartments. So just, you know, locals will live here. Anybody can live here. You got some restaurants. I think this is part of Shanghai Street. Shanghai Street will actually go, it won't be linear like you'd think so. So actually it goes into, kind of goes into this space in here. So you can see the sign here. So it says Shanghai is right there, and then it's a restaurant. And then Beijing Street. Hello.
Hello.
Nice, right?
Hello.
So you got Shanghai and Beijing. So I'm gonna keep on walking down. So I guess this is also part of Beijing Street. So that street was also Beijing, and I think Shanghai will continue to go down, but it's kind of like, it's kind of strange the way it's set up. So that's actually Beijing Street as well. So we've seen two Beijing streets, right? This will make sense a little bit later. There's Shanghai again. Landmark Casino. You see part of the racetrack as well. Okay, so we clearly see Shanghai right here, and I think that this one is Shanghai too, on this corner. Maybe. Let me see. Maybe not. I'm trying to see the street sign. So we got Landmark right here. Let me kind of go across a little bit. I just want to see the street sign. It'll make sense in a minute. It's kind of cool restaurant. That whole street is Landmark Casino. Nice, beautiful black and white tiles everywhere. And I'm pretty sure that this is Shanghai Street. There's Emperor Hotel. So I think I'm gonna walk down this one. If I'm wrong, we'll see if I am or not. It's kind of cool though, some of the decor. Okay. Okay. There's Emperor Hotel all the way over to the side. So you got Landmark Casino, Emperor Hotel. Let's see, Landmark Casino. Got some really nice black and white tiles here too. So I think Shanghai is going to come out. Yeah, so we're going to see Shanghai Street up here as well. So you saw that whole street that was Shanghai. I believe we're on Shanghai Street right now as well. Let me just see. So that's kind of a row of casinos right here. And then you also have Lisboa. So right down that way is Casino Lisboa. And I'm pretty sure that was Shanghai Street right here. And I think this keeps going down. So let me just kind of capture this real quick. So it's actually Shanghai Street. Huade, Shanghai. So we're gonna keep on walking down. And I think Shanghai, so we started on that one street and then we kind of went in and now we're on this one. So I think these are all still part of Shanghai. You can see Shanghai over there too. And I think it goes off. So we're back on Beijing Street again. Peking is Beijing, and then this is Shanghai. The spelling is in Portuguese. So this whole street was this one, but Peking, remember we saw that a few times before as well. So this is actually part of Beijing Street. And then Shanghai, I think it goes like here, and then down that way. So I think that's how it works. And then if we go all the way down this way, this will go down to Carlos Assumpcion. So I think this might be part of Shanghai Street as well. The sign said it is. And this is all part of the landmark right in here. So I think what we're gonna do is we're just gonna walk. We're gonna stay on Shanghai Street, and then we're going to, I think Shanghai is gonna go to the, you know, kind of went like this, and then like this, and then I think it's like, then it's also like down that way too. So we're gonna follow it down and just see if we're still on Shanghai or not. This area is also known for like a lot of saunas, hotels. So there's like sauna signs and hotel signs. So it says Shanghai right there. And then I think it's gonna say Shanghai down here too. The way that this kind of works is that these streets are set up where they are, like some of them are pedestrian streets. So yeah, so now we're back on Beijing Street again. I wonder if I should call this Beijing Street or Shanghai Street. And over here is Shanghai Street again. Right here. So it's Shanghai. And then down this way is actually Beijing Street. I don't know if I can go across that. Technically I cannot, but there's a nice kind of cool building right there, that yellow building. I think Shanghai goes down. Yeah, this goes all the way down that way. So we are going to continue down Shanghai. So we're still on it. That was part of it. The racetrack is down that way, so we was kind of down this way, and then we came up this way. And I went in a little bit. And then we're gonna take the crosswalk over. Then it's still Shanghai. So Shanghai again, right? I'm gonna go down to that building real quick. It's part of Beijing. Kind of debating, I might actually put Beijing into the video. We're kind of like crisscrossing Beijing almost constantly, so that's another Beijing. Hello. Oh, you got hustle area. Oh, nice. And then this building right here, I think is always kind of interesting because it's like Havana. So they have like cigar shop and such like that. So yeah, that building looks really, really amazing. And you can go up that way. So I think this would be, this is part of Beijing Street. And then kind of tempted to go up that way. And that's part of Shanghai Street down that way. So yeah, the lighting is amazing. Let's go up. I think I'm gonna just call this Beijing and Shanghai Street. So I think part of that was Beijing Street down that way as well. Then you kind of have these really, really nice decor. By the way, it's City University right there, City University of Macau. They have a branch in here. So we're on Beijing Street. So we kind of meandering between Shanghai Street and Beijing Street. So I guess we'll just do them both. I wasn't planning to do Beijing, but it seemed like I just kept intersecting with it everywhere, right? And they have a lot of similarities anyways. So we're gonna come up here. We're on Rodrigo Avenida, up in this way. Let me just kind of see. And you can see Grand Lisboa Casino down that way. There's kind of a cool building right there. So that's and then we're gonna go back to Shanghai Street. Nice, beautiful trees on Dr. Rodriguez Avenue. And now we're back on Shanghai Street. So yeah, so that's Landmark Casino down that way. Some residential places. So yeah, basically Shanghai was like here, a little bit there, this whole street plus that street down that way that started where. So it's kind of a big mix of stuff. Then you can also see that oh, they left their keys there. Somebody left their keys there. In Shanghai Street. So anyways, there you go, another slice of Macau for you.